parents, or as they say, don't fall in love. This is Bay FM, coming up to the end of our Bay Health Hour. I hope it's been very informative. It has been great for me. I love hearing about this stuff. National Hearing Week, of course. If you think you've got some hearing issues, you might want to go and see someone to get some advice. Madonna, you have heard of My Health Record?
Absolutely.
Okay, so I'm going to cover a few facts here at the moment. Now, My Health Record is a really good platform for health providers, okay? The risks of people getting your information without your, permission.
Yes.
It's all on an app on your phone. You put your PIN in it. No one can access it other than you unless I've got your phone and then I can get into it.
So if you don't want a new doctor to see anything,
Yep.
you don't have to give them the...
Absolutely not.
Yep.
In fact, no one can access that without your permission. Absolutely nobody. But what it does do is, for someone like myself, who's an ex-health practitioner now, but if you were to collapse on the street and the ambulance came and grabbed you and you weren't able to talk and you go to the hospital, but you live in Sydney,
Yes.
they're not going to have your medical record.
Right.
In fact, they're going to be sitting there going, oh my goodness, how do we treat this person?
Yes.
We have absolutely no knowledge on it at all. My Health Record allows the medical practitioner to get online, see exactly where you're going, where you've come from, what you're doing, if you're on any current medication, if you have any current medical conditions, anything that's going to help your healthcare
Yes.
and your health management. Without that, normally people would go in to a doctor and they go, wonderful Madonna, you've got these symptoms, we just need to go and get your record from Sydney, it's going to take us about a week.
Right.
Can't really manage you effectively as
Yeah.
well. Do you see where I'm coming from?
Yeah.
So it does help get everything together. The doctors can access your healthcare records. I can't.
Does it get the previous history and put them in there, or is it only just from the moment you sign up to the MyGov?
No, what they do is they get all your history. So they correlate from your local hospital. Everything goes into one big database, and it's right there and then. If I was to walk onto a ward today and I'm due to start work, I'm heading off to do my thing,
Yes.
I want to go and look up your record.
Right.
I can't do that.
Okay.
Absolutely can't do that. I don't have permission. I am not part of your My Health Record plan. I'm not part of the management.
But if I collapsed, I'm not going to be able to give you my PIN anyway, so you wouldn't
Exactly.
be able to get it.
But on My Health Record, you would have given your permission for me as a registered provider to access that on your behalf for your health management.
Right.
Do you see what I mean?
Yes.
So the police...
So if I'm awake and I don't want you to see it, I can do it. But if I'm unconscious and need your help, you're
life
set.
is in our hands.
Beautiful.
We want to make sure you're healthy and we want to make sure you come out of it. Look, we're going to head off in just a minute. Thank you so much for coming in. If anyone else has any more questions for Madonna and myself, you know who to call, 3821 0022. It's been an absolute pleasure, Madonna, to have you in. Very informative as always.
Thank you.
Don't forget, Rusty B is coming up next with some more great music here at Bay FM. And my advice to you is always remember to smile. Because if anything, it makes people wonder what you're up to. Have a great afternoon.